Hello to all the students. I hope you all are in a good health. So today we are going to solve this numerical. You know what? This numerical is a little bit challenging for every student because this numerical is not an easy one. So let's solve this numerical and make it easy for you. So you are watching Park Chemist and I am Sundar Imtiaz. So let's get started this video. So let's see what the question is saying to us. 1.40 decimeter cube of a gas. Now this decimeter cube is the unit of a volume. So 1.40 decimeter cube of a gas measured at a temperature of 27 degrees centigrade. So the temperature given here is 27 degrees centigrade and the pressure of 900 torr, already mentioned pressure, so it means the 900 torr is a pressure, so was found to have a mass of 2.273 grams. So this gram is unit of mass, so the mass is given here. Now you have to calculate what? You have to calculate the molecular mass of this gas. So let's make a data. First, the volume given here is 1.40 decimeter cube. The temperature given here is 27 degrees centigrade. The pressure given here is 900 torr. And the mass given here is 2.273 gram. You must mention the units because it is compulsory, and you have to calculate the molecular mass. So I am to differentiate the mass with the molecular mass, I am writing capital M for molecular mass. So we need to find the molecular mass. Now let's come to the solution. Now as you have seen that we have given volume, temperature, pressure, so we need to have a formula in which all the volume, temperature, pressure relationships are combined. So this formula is what? This is a general gas law. So we have the formula of general gas equation, that is PV is equals to nRT. With the help of this formula we are going to solve this numerical. Okay, let's see what we have given and what we have not given. The pressure is given here, the volume is also given here, temperature is given here, but N and R are missing. Let's first see where is the R. The R is a gas constant and it has two values, 0.0821 and another is 8.314. But we are using this value. Why this value? Because you can see the volume is given in the decimeter cube unit, so it means we are going to use this value in which the volume is also in a decimeter cube, right? The units are given on, you need to convert this only. The decimeter cube is the unit of a volume, yes, we have given. Where is it? ATM. ATM is not given, but ATM is the unit of a pressure, so we need to convert this torr into an ATM. Okay, so we will convert this one, right? Now secondly, we have given this K. What is this? This is the unit of a temperature. This is K, this is Kelvin, and it is a unit of a temperature, so we have to convert this degree centigrade into the Kelvin. Add 273 in this degree centigrade and you will have 300 Kelvin, right? So this is the real temperature we are using in this. If you want to convert this torr into an ATM, you only need to divide it with 760. Okay, so let's divide. 900 will be divided with the 760 and you will get what? 1.18 ATM. If you want to go back like from ATM to torr, you just have to multiply this 760 with the given ATM pressure. So let's come up with our numerical. Pressure is given, that is 1.18. Volume is given, that is 1.40. Now what is this N? This is irritating one, right? So this N is a number of moles. Since from the 9th grade we are aware of the number of moles formula, I am breaking this number of moles. Okay, the number of moles is equals to given mass upon molecular mass, right? So the given mass is denoted by smaller n, and the molecular mass is representing by capital M. Okay, now we have the R, and temperature is also given here, 300 Kelvin. Now let's solve it. 1.18 multiply 1.40. Now the mass given here in this question is 2.273. So we have given the mass. We have to find the molecular mass, right? So let's change their positions and make it easy. This M will go there and these two values will come here. So after multiplying three of these values, you will get 55.98. And after multiplying both of these, 1.652. Then after dividing, you will get 33.88. And the answer has a unit of atomic mass unit. This is the answer. I hope you like it, you understand it very well. So this here is a practice problem for all of you. Solve it and give the answer in a comment box.